3 plus 1 gives us 4, and 2 times 4 gives us 8, and 16 divided by 8 is equal to 2. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, which I will write here. So according to the order of operation PEMDAS, the first thing to solve is parentheses, right? And the second thing to solve is exponent. And then the third thing to solve is multiplication or division. And finally, we have to solve addition or subtraction. So here is the thing: for multiplication or division, we have to solve the problem left to right, right? So that is the way, because multiplication and the division both have equal priority, right? They are priority number 3 and their priority is equal. They are equally solved. So when we encounter these two arithmetic in one expression, the right way to solve it is starting from the left side and solving all the way to the right in order. So that is the right order and that is going to be the right answer. So let's see if we can solve this. So 3 plus 1 is going to be the first thing to solve, because the first thing to solve is of course parentheses, so it is inside the parentheses, so we have to do that. So 3 plus 1 gives us 4, and the problem becomes 16 divided by 2 times 4, and we have one division and one multiplication. And like I said, like we discussed, for multiplication and the division both have equal priority, therefore we have to solve the problem starting from the left to the right, right? So we are going to start by dividing and then we are going to multiply, right? So 16 divided by 2 gives us 8, and 8 times 4 is equal to 32. So the final answer to this question is 32.